In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your 1000 designation to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting in your career, showcasing your qualifications on your LinkedIn profile can significantly enhance your professional presence. Today, I am going to walk you through the simple steps to add your Certified Management Consultant designation to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. First things first, go ahead and navigate to LinkedIn.com. This is your starting point. If you are already logged into LinkedIn, you will find yourself right at your home feed. If not, you will need to sign in. LinkedIn offers various sign-in options, whether using Google or Microsoft accounts, or by entering your email address and password. Choose whichever option feels most comfortable and secure for you. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account, usually through a code sent to your phone. Just enter the code when prompted. It might be an extra step, but it is vital for keeping your account secure. Now that you are in and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you will see your avatar picture. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile to access your personal LinkedIn page. This is where the magic happens. Scroll a bit to see a button labeled Add Profile section just below your profile picture. Click this button, and a menu with various options to enhance your profile will appear. Within this menu, look for Recommended and select Add Licenses and Certifications from the drop-down list. This will prompt a pop-up window where you will enter the specifics of your 1000 designation. Start by typing the certifying organization's name, which would be 1000 Canada. For instance, next fill in the name of your certification, such as Certified Management Consultant. Do not forget to include the date you received your certification. This information is crucial as it adds authenticity and demonstrates the current validity of your qualification. If a verification link is associated with your certification, make sure to add it here. It serves as an excellent way to boost your profile's credibility. After double-checking all the information you have entered, click Save to add your license and certification to your LinkedIn profile. Finally, if you want to revisit your LinkedIn privacy and account settings for any reason, simply head back to your home feed by clicking Feed at the top of the page. From here, go into Settings and Privacy followed by Account Preferences. This is also a great opportunity to explore your subscription and payment settings, ensuring everything is set up the way you like. And there you have it. You have successfully added your 1000 designation to your LinkedIn profile. By showcasing these professional milestones, you are opening up new avenues for potential clients and demonstrating your expertise to your network. Stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.